So yeah, the class has been started recording. So today's class is about links, lists and tables in HTML. There was a problem in the link which I have sent in the email. It does not open because there is a comma in the URL. So if you remove the comma in the URL, then it works absolutely fine. Uh, I won't. I'll make sure that particular thing won't happen again and again. So I'll make it clean and neat so that you guys will not have any problem in the coming future. Okay, and that's the class for today. And again, if you cannot talk in the class. Oh, there's a spelling mistake here. So you cannot talk in the class. If you want to talk, use the chat box as usual. This is the trademark dialogue of Tutoslive. So and the other update is like your assignments will be validated. You'll be soon seeing your links. So I'll be emailing you guys your links. No, I cannot. But if you want to talk, I can on the microphone of yours. I can control that. So I'm controlling it actually. I can also see you guys too. You can also see me. So I'll just control it because we'll have a proper class if we control that particular thing. So if there is video on both the sides or audio on the both sides, it will eat up our bandwidth. So I don't want that to happen. Okay, and the other thing is, yeah, your assignments will go live soon. Everybody will get a URL, and I'll be emailing everyone regarding their URLs. So we will have the URLs, and once we are done with the HTML part and once we start CSS, then I'll give you access to the server using FileZilla. You can upload the files, or maybe we may use a panel wherein we can upload files from the dashboard or the student page. Okay, let's see which way is the more proper way to do it. So I'm still working on it. I'm all alone here, so it takes time for me to develop too. I can't really develop something real fast. Okay, it takes time, so just be with us and you will see miracles. That's what I can say. So well, yeah, that is it. Let's go ahead and see today's class. So in the last class I missed one point. Okay, I'll be explaining that point today. So the text formatting tag we missed is pre is nothing but pre-formatted text. That means, so pre stands for pre-formatted text. Okay, so what does this mean? This means that it won't put any format on the text. Like you see on strong, it makes it bold. You see EM, it makes italics. Hey Ankush, what's up, man? I was talking to you, but you did not respond. So good to see your assignment. So unfortunately, I did not get time to look into them, but I'll be doing it as soon as the class ends, and you guys will be getting a URL. So you can see your assignments. You can see even Anil submitted an assignment. You can see Anil's assignment too. And there are 3 more students who have submitted the assignment, so you guys can have a chat with each other and let's make it more social. Let's learn together. Okay, so and I hope you did not miss the first part where the welcome screen. I was just talking about what we're gonna do going forward, and the next thing is that the class started. So this is the tag I missed. So this tag is very, very important. Okay, it is not important in HTML, it is not important in CSS or any, but it is very, very important in PHP. Okay, when we look into PHP, when we start learning PHP, this tag is really, really important in testing the data which we are getting from in PHP. Okay, used to check the data along with PHP. Okay, so what does it exactly do? It does not put any formatting on the text. That is what it does. Okay, so let's see that example here. And I don't have the past classes because this is a brand new laptop, so I don't have my past classes. So that's only 3 classes. we won't be seeing that output here or anywhere, so I'll be starting afresh. Okay, I'll start our super 10 folder uh, very fresh, and I don't have that file. Maybe I can download it. Let's see. So I'm gonna start my screen share here. So my screen is visible now, right? So yeah, is it visible, my screen? So where is it? New folder. Our new folder is super 10. Okay, this is our folder. So let's write our program here. Okay, so every time I'll start the program with doc type HTML, then the HTML tag, head, title. So the title is HTML pre tag. Let's write Tutoslive too. Tutoslive super 10. I'm gonna save this desktop. So I'll save this as pre.html. Okay, inside the body, so here, okay, so let me just write a plain text here. So every time remember this is the best practice. So I'm gonna close that, close this too. So Google. So whenever you want to put some dummy text, always remember there is a website called Lorem Ipsum. Okay, this is used to put dummy text. So you see most of the times in websites where they don't format it properly, they use this Lorem Ipsum. So I just paste this, copied it, paste it here. So unfortunately it has been very long. So here I'll just split that. Okay, I'll save this. Let's open this. How do we open it? You go to the folder. So this is it, right? Though I know I used line breaks there. I mean line breaks in the sense, not the break tag, but I used I wrote everything in the new line, but it did not appear. So what's the solution here to make them appear like that? What would be the solution? Hey Chinmay, oh, you're not able to hear it? Does anyone have the same problem? Hi Rajiv. So Rajiv, you cannot talk in the class. I don't know, guys. If anybody comes in, just explain them what we are really doing here. No, you did not miss a lot. I was talking about the assignments. I was talking about the URLs you'll be getting tonight. Everybody can see your assignments going forward, and you can see everybody's assignments too. And that's it. And I'm talking about this tag. Hey, hi Rajiv. If you want to talk to me, just use the chat box. So chat box is on the right side. If you don't see the chat box, it must have been minimized. So just check on the left side if it's minimized. So guys, explain Rajiv what we are really doing here. So he just joined in today. can hear you now. Fantastic. So that is it. Now you guys have to tell me, yeah, you guys have to tell me, this is my code. I'm gonna show my code. Okay, this is my code. I have everything written in a new line. Okay, everything written in a new line. When I try to see it, so yeah, guys, explain, everybody who is coming new, just tell them, say hi to them, and say, you know, if they want to talk to me, just put in there. Okay, just help me out. Okay, so Ankush might be knowing, and Sandeep might be knowing the new guys. So guys, it's your job, Sandeep and Ankush. Okay, so yeah, this is the code on the browser. So that particular code is like this on the browser. So but I want it to be appear in the same way as it is in the code, as it is here. What is a solution? What is a solution there? What can I do to make it appear line by line? Yes, how do I do it? BR tags, fantastic. So is there any other solution to it? So that's where my pre tag comes into picture. So what happens if I use a pre tag? So let's see now. I just saved it. I'm gonna come here, refresh. Now you see it here. So pre tag is pre-formatted tag, which means that it does not apply any formatting. It shows whatever I have written in the code as it is on the browser. Okay, it does not apply anything. Right? So that's the beauty of pre-tag, and pre-tag is very important when you go into PHP. So that's what I was mentioning here. In PHP, it's very important to check what data is coming in PHP. Okay, so we'll see. Keep in mind this thing, pre-tag is really important there. Okay, and it's very useful also. Fine, that's one tag we have missed in the last class. And let's jump into today's class and see the syntax first. Then we go on to writing our program. And I'll be continuing the portfolio one, so I won't get deviated. So even you guys try to do the same thing. And today's class file will be a separate file with a date, so make sure that you're downloading the right file, because I don't want to make a new copy today instead of writing the changes to the same old file. Okay, great. So guys, you can tell me anything if you want. If you have a question, if you have, or if I'm fast, if I'm slow, or if I'm not audible, or if I'm not understandable, or anything, just feel free to tell me anything. That will help us, or help me at least, so that I can deliver classes better. Okay, and no summary, guys. The last time nobody has except who has left the summary? I don't remember. It's not line by line. It does not format. It's showing exactly what I have written in the HTML file. Let me show you guys again here. So it may take a while. Yeah. So here you see here, book, typesetting, letterset, software, lorem ipsum. So what it's really doing here is, you see these gaps, this indentation. Okay, these gaps, even these gaps are printed there. You can see it here, those gaps. That's a two tab spaces. The indentation was 2 tab spaces. Okay, that's the 2 tab spaces, and it's just putting up just like that whatever I have written there. That's the beauty of pre-tag. Like